Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the best app for live satellite view that you can right now get on the market. So the first one that I actually like to use is called like EOS.com, and when you can write EOS.com, right now for example in Czech Republic, and I can like zoom in here, let's go, and you're gonna have the clouds here and you can have the layers. So I can click here on the clouds and you see right here the images, right? And then you're gonna have for example the Sentinel-2, and then you're gonna have like the pictures. So for example, let's go with this one, and then you can have plenty of settings that you can actually have here. See, like for example, like full clouds here, and then I can like change the layers here. So let's say I'm going to come here to, I don't know, vegetation, or I can go like coal inflated or forestry, and plenty of like things here that you can actually see here, and plenty of settings. Some of them are kind of like the premium, but here you can have like agriculture, forestry, custom ones. So this is like the first one that I actually like, and this kind of like the EOS one. So that's something that you can actually check and see, that maybe you're gonna like actually like it. Now another one that is also good is called like this one right here. So that's for the Sentinel Hub EO browser, and this is kind of like the Copernicus EU, and this is kind of like another one that you can actually see for yourself, that you can find plenty of data here, and that you can like check here for the time here, and also for the cloud coverage and everything. So this is kind of like another one that is good. This kind of the Copernicus browser, and then you can have also the land viewer. So that's like another one for you to check out. So the land review is for the kind of like for the EOS.com. Now the Skyfi, this is also a great one too. So Skyfi, let me show you. That's like you can like explore it and see for yourself. You can click here, explore the platform, but then you're going to see the pricing here. So here you see like for example the pricing plans, and like starting the optical, the aperture radar, the multispectral imagery, that is like for example free. And here for example I can like log in, review sample images, and you can actually like see how it works. So this is something that you can actually see for yourself. So again, this is like another one, and you're gonna have like new image here, right? You can have like for example the Austin here, and like the quality is very good. So high up-to-date images of a specific location if you want to get it. So this is kind of like new images, right? And like the qualities are like very, 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 very good. And you see that it's like we can even go further. So this is something that I personally really like, and you're gonna have also, you can like search for multiple areas. And I can go, let's say we're gonna go to Slovakia, and this is where I live. So we can actually check out some places here, right? Look at that, look at the quality. Very good, right? So this is something that you can actually see for yourself, and maybe it's going to be like beneficial. So Skyfi, real high res near real time like images, and you can actually like see how like the quality there. You can see a lot, and we can even come here to, let's just check the Ukraine here, how it goes there. And we have like the Donetsk here, right? And you can actually like search for places for the images, or you can have like the existing images. And then you're gonna have like $8 that is like kind of like the paid ones, where you're gonna have like the new images available. So that's like kind of something that you can do. And another one is called like Nearmap. So Nearmap is also high-res aerial maps and turn location data into insightful answers. So this is something that you can again test out for yourself and see. For example, right here, so like Friday, October 2024, and this is like another one. And for tracking satellites in orbit, you can have Stellarium. So that's kind of like the first one. So here you see, for example, excellent for real-time tracking of satellites and celestial objects. So that's like very, very good. And that's something how it works. And here you see, for example, like where everything is. This is good. So you want to check, you can check that one out if you like. And then you're gonna have also the heavens above. And this is great for tracking the passes. So that's like another one. So hope this video provided a little bit of value, guys, on what kind of thing you can expect and how to use it. So thank you, guys, and have a great day and goodbye.